How can I let my team know when there's a new task that needs to be accomplished? Hi, this is Eliot from Workload. In this video, we'll be building a workflow starting with a new task in Google Task. Then we'll be setting the details of that task as a channel message in Slack. Alright, let's build a workflow. So we're going to start here at the Workload editor. We're going to give our workflow a title. This is going to be Google Tasks to Slack. And our trigger is going to be in Google Tasks. And the event is going to be a new task. We're going to make sure we're connected to our Google account. If you have any issues logging into the apps we use in this workflow, check out the blog in the description of this video. The task list that I want this workflow to monitor is My Tasks. So you would select whichever task list is pertinent to the channel message you want to send in Slack. I'll test my trigger, and we have a new task. We can use this to build our workflow. Fortunately for us, all the information that's coming from Google Task is in a flat response. So nothing is tucked inside of an array, so we do not have to pull things out of the array in order to import it into Slack. So we'll click Continue here. For our action, we'll select Slack, and the event is going to be to send a channel message. Make sure we're connected to Slack. The channel that I want to send this message to is going to be my test channel for this demo. Obviously, you would select whatever channel you want this message to be sent to. The message text is going to come from our trigger. So I'm going to click inside of the box, come to my drop-down menu. I'm going to find the title of my task, put a colon, hit enter. Then I'm going to find the notes, enter, and the due date. For the bot name, I'm going to type in new task. This will show up as the sender of the message. If I want to pick an icon or emoji to represent these tasks, I could. I could also make this part of a thread. And we'll test our action. And we have a success. So I'll click Continue here. I can look over at my test channel in Slack. I can see that there is this new message from the new task bot name with the name of the task, the details of the task, and the due date. So it looks like our workflow is set up correctly. I can go back over to the workload editor, can make sure there's a green dot in the upper corner of each of our nodes, and I can activate this workflow. And now every time there's a new task created in the My task list, then it will automatically send a channel message in my test channel in Slack. That's how I can use Workload to build a workflow that automatically turns new tasks into channel messages in Slack. Please join the Workload community by commenting on this video with any questions you might have or suggestions for future videos. You should also like this video and click here to subscribe to our channel, or click here to get more content from Workload about how to make your business practices more smoothly. And I'll see you next time.